What's up, busy people? Hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, we're going to finally test our chatbot to see if everything is working the way it's supposed to. All right. So in the previous videos, we've been configuring our CBB account. We're making sure the settings are right. We've been connecting our CBB account to the right Google Sheet. We've done mapping. And all other stuff, right? I believe you've all seen the video. And at this time, we want to test the chatbot to make sure that it's working right. Okay, so to do that, I am going to open up my Google Sheet agency CRM here. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to see how this bot will run on both Facebook Messenger and on the website. Okay, later on I'm going to do another video that will show you how to install the bot on your website. That way when leads come through, they can interact with your bot on your website and also on your Facebook Messenger. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open up our Google Sheet account right here. Okay, so we want to create a scenario where, let's say, you as the agency owner, you're running let's say Facebook ads, right? And you're sending people to let's say your Facebook Messenger, and you're sending the leads as they're coming in. Maybe you're sending some to your website. So you want the bot to engage with the leads as they come in, right? You greet them, answer their questions, and urge the lead to book an appointment, right? And then you can reach out to the lead, and do a Zoom call and all that, right? Okay, and once the bot captures that lead information, right, the first name, last name, phone number, email, appointment date and time, you want the bot to capture that information and then populate your spreadsheet automatically, right? So you don't have to manually do that. All right, so that's what the bot is going to do. Okay, so let's start off by testing the bot on your let's test the bot on the web, and let's see how the bot will behave on your website. Okay, like I said, later on I'm going to create a video to show you how to install the bot on your website. Okay, so we're going to test it. I'm just going to click right here, grab the link, and I want to test it on the web. How will my chatbot behave on the web? So we want to copy our link right here, and then we want to go to a browser and check it out, okay, before we install it on our website. Okay, so right here we can see there is a greeting from your bot saying, hello, how can we assist you today? Okay, so let's say I'm the lead and I need an AI bot for my business, right? So I say, hi, I need AI chatbot for my business. Can you help me? Okay, so I'm pretending to be the lead to interact with the chatbot, and then right here you can see the chatbot responding, saying, absolutely, we can help with that. Our AI chatbot service is designed. Now check this out. This is where prompting or writing prompt is very important. Remember what I said about prompt, right? That it's just simple, plain language instructions to AI, to tell AI to interact with your lead in a specific way that you want, okay, that's befitting for your business. All right, because AI has changed chatbots forever. Okay, later on I'll do a video to show you how you can train your bot. Sometimes your bot will not get everything 100%, okay, and it's up to you to just train your bot. If you notice it's not doing something that right. All you got to do is just go to the prompt and tell the bot, hey, I want you to answer in a specific way. I want you to use a specific tone, right? Maybe I want you to sound a little bit more professional, or I want you to use plain language. Okay, so you can instruct the AI by using simple prompts. I'll create a video for that to show you how to train your bot to answer. So here you can see that I told the bot to educate the lead a little bit about the service they're asking for. So the lead is asking for AI chatbot, and I said the bot is saying here, our AI chatbot service is designed to provide automated customer support, lead generation, interactive communication on your website or social media platforms. It can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations. And then here it says, do you have any specific use scenario in mind for your AI chatbot business? Okay, so let's say I need the bot to answer questions and book appointments. Okay, so the bot is engaging in conversation with your lead. All right, and then I respond. The bot just responded. It's saying that AI chatbot can definitely handle that. It can engage with your customers, answer their questions, provide information about your services, and seamlessly book appointments for them. Now, one other thing I told the bot in the prompt to do is to try to urge the lead to book appointment with me, right? And over here you can see the bot is doing exactly just that. It says, if you're interested in learning more and discussing the details, we can schedule a free consultation session for you. Would you like to book an appointment for a free consultation? So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say yes, sure, something like that, right? And then now the bot is going to begin taking the information of the lead, right? So it's going to ask them for their first name. So let's make up a name. Let's say the name is Catherine, right? So let's say Catherine. We're going to put Catherine's first name. The bot is asking for her last name. Let's say her last name is Goldberg. So Catherine Goldberg, right? That's her last name. And let's say Catherine's number is 614-500-1212. All right. Let's say Catherine lives in Columbus, right? And then let's give a name for Catherine. Let's say Catherine G at yahoo.com, right? That's her name. So you can see the bot is collecting all the information it needs for the appointment. So here it's asking for the state. This one is optional. If you don't want that, you can just remove that from the prompt. Okay, so let's say OH. Okay, let's put OH. Let's put OH and let's see what it says. Okay, no problem. Just let me know the state you are located in. For example, OH, Ohio. Okay, I am in the state of Ohio. Okay, so sometimes you need to talk to it and it will understand what you mean. All right, that's the beauty about AI. All right, so it says, thank you for letting me know. Please choose a date and time for your appointment. Our business hours are Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. So I'm gonna say maybe let's say today is Monday, so we're gonna do Wednesday at 5 p.m. will work good for me. Okay, so look at how the bot is using natural language to book their appointment. Okay, this is more engaging. It's not a boring form where the lead has to fill out, right? So now I also instructed the bot to ask them where they heard about us. So let's say it's word of mouth, or let me just put Facebook, since let's say they heard about us through Facebook, right? Okay, and then lastly, is there any message you would like us to know before the appointment? So I'm just gonna say just need a Zoom call appointment to discuss AI chatbot, something like that, right? And then we write that in, and then the bot responds and says, thanks Catherine, we have received your info. Below is the information about your appointment. Okay, so you got appointment date, which is Wednesday, I think, right? Wednesday is when I chose, Wednesday the 17th at 5 p.m. All right, you have successfully booked an appointment for a Zoom call to discuss AI chatbots. You will receive reminders for the appointment. Okay, so remember we said in the previous videos, we set certain times that you want reminder messages to be sent to the lead, right? So this is why we set that up, so the lead can be reminded about 3 times before the appointment date. So we're gonna just thank the bot for helping us. Thank you for your help. And then we're gonna go over, after that we're gonna go over to the our Google CRM spreadsheet, and there it is. Is that not beautiful? Catherine's information has populated automatically on our Google Sheet. Look at that. Look at our CRM. Isn't that beautiful? And check this out. Okay, if you go over to your dashboard, okay, look out for Catherine as upcoming appointment, right? Catherine booked for Wednesday the 17th at 5 p.m. Now go to your dashboard and check this out. See that? Upcoming appointments, Catherine is showing up right there. So Catherine is next. See that? Or she's coming up next. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That is a pretty part about your Google agency CRM. So right now our bot is working very nicely on their web. Okay, so again, like I said, I will do another video to show you how to install this web chatbot on your website. Okay, so so we're going to test how the bot will behave on Facebook Messenger. To do that, we need to grab a link on Facebook, all right, that will show or will allow us to see how a lead will have first interaction with your Facebook page. Okay, so we're gonna go over here, just follow along with me. Now I use this page for a test, so I connected my bot to this page and use it for a test. So I'm gonna go over to that page. If you're not on the page, click switch to go to the page. Click your switch right here. If you're already on the page, you don't have to do that. Okay, and then click the messenger icon at the top right here. Okay, top right, and then from this point you want to go to where that wrench is on the top right over here. Okay, and click on that, and then grab this link right over here, copy. Okay, and then you want to go over to your browser and paste it here. So this is how a lead will first interact with your page. This is the experience that lead is going to get. Okay, so let's give it a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a little while. Okay, right here. So once they land on your page, on mobile phone it might look a little bit different, but once they land on your Facebook page, the lead will very likely see something like this. All right, and then the lead will have to click where it says get started to begin engaging with your bot. Okay, so right now you see there's the welcome message, right? and then you say, hi, I need Facebook ads for my business. Okay, and then here it says, great, we offer Facebook ads, blah 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 blah. Would you like a free consultation? Yes, sure. Okay. All right, and then it's asking me for my first name that I'd like to use. You can have the bot use the least Facebook first name, okay, but usually I like them to type their name in there. The reason for this is that there are many people who use weird names on Facebook that are not their real name, okay, and I'm sure you've seen that a lot. So I like to have them type in their name so they can type in the right name, so I could address them properly, right? So I don't want to be having to call people hot tender Lucy. I don't want to be calling people like that. So I try to let the bot ask them for their first name. Okay, so let's say this name is Roland, something like that, right? Roland first name. Okay, and Roland's last name is Roland. Okay, Franklin is his last name. All right, and then his phone number is 614-500. I'm just creating a fictitious phone number, so bear with me. All right, and then let's say his email is rolandf@gmail.com, something like that. All right, and let's say, what state are you in? Let's just say Florida or something. So I'm gonna put FL in there, something like that. And it says, great, now let's schedule an appointment. So let's say I want Friday at 11 a.m. Okay, Friday at 11 a.m. will be fine, something like that. Okay, and then it says, where did you hear about us? Let's say Facebook. Okay, and then it says, thank you, Roland. Is there anything else? Just need Facebook ads. All right, something like that. Okay, and then the bot is going to respond and say, thanks, Roland. All right, so we have another appointment that came in through Facebook Messenger. All right, and we can see here this one is for Friday the 19th, right here, Friday night the 19th at 11 a.m. right? Is that what we said? Yep, Friday 11 a.m. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to our CRM to see if Roland showed up on our CRM. So there is Roland Franklin right there. Okay, and then if we go over, you can see his information populated right there. Okay, how cool is that, right? If we go over to the dashboard, we're gonna see Roland's appointment coming up right there. Okay, so you can see that right there, and then Roland also appears right over here. Okay, that was Catherine earlier on, and Roland also appears right here. Later on, I'm gonna do a video that will show you different parts of the CRM, so don't worry, those videos are coming up. All right, so guys, our bot is working pretty nice right now. All right, in case your bot is not working, you can send me an email. There are also certain things you may need to do that you probably haven't done on your end. It has nothing to do with CBB. It has nothing to do with Facebook, but it's just maybe your old settings in your Facebook account, that, but most likely you should not encounter that. Okay, it should work smoothly if you followed all the videos tutorial that I did before. everything should work smoothly. But if for any reason you're still having problems, just send me an email. My email should be somewhere at the top of this video, below this video, or on the screen. All right, send me an email and I'll help troubleshoot the problem for you. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.